Guys, good afternoon guys, good afternoon and welcome back to my channel. How are you guys doing? How is your day going? My day is fine, my day is going well. We thank God for the gift of life. Guys, today's video is a mukbang foodie. We are here again. So guys, today's video is a mukbang. We'll be eating garri, and this is roasted fish, garri and fish. So guys, we are still trying to keep it simple, and we don't want mash line, understand? Today is my cheating day, so I'm going to be eating garri and fish, and I will use this little cube of sugar, brown sugar, but maybe I will cut inside. So guys, please subscribe to my channel, support your sister now. You people should subscribe to my channel, like, comment, share, subscribe to my channel, please guys. So without any delay, let's go straight into the video. So guys, I'm just so excited about this fish, the garri, for the fish. Let me roast them by myself. So let's get started. So we see three, 4. Let me start from here first. After we see if I want more. So this one, this is brown sugar. We're using brown sugar. So yeah, it's strong. So this is my cold water, straight from the fridge. For this garri, I not trust them. Before I come dey drink garri, no gree finish. Let me return some first. If you not reach me, I dey add. We dey here with the garri. Today not today. Voila. Don't not this now. No, the sugar never enter. Ma break am may enter. This sugar dey fuck up. Here and safe. Like say I put many water. And my garri small. I'll still put small garri. Yeah, where is sugar now? Now I add small garri. This garri sweet too. Ijebu garri. I need small sugar. Let me add this many one. So guys, let's dig in. Hi, see that fish. When I know vex, I know say some people go say, why you go dey use food dey torturing? Yeah, torturing me one time, torturing me 2 times, So let's get started. Let's dig in, guys. Come and join me. When I not verse, so I not say na the verse now. Say, guys, please don't be angry. We say they take food, they call the tutorials for you. When I not verse, na mukbang. But yeah, guys, first bite. Not just on our first bite. We will just like drink garri. Sam, you see what they talk? This garri now, you don't dey do pass himself. This garri don dey do pass himself. They tell me since I be rice. See my garri, see. Dey do pass yourself, abi? No go dey do pass yourself. I need water. Hey, yeah. You know that kind of Nigeria sun. No, that Nigeria sun that time. That Nigeria sun, you know, don't mama you for where you go, it don't beat you. When sun don't beat you where you go, if you don't come by, just see better garri like this and cold water. Aye. Na me and you. So guys, I don't want to go too that crazy about eating, so I just still decide to eat fish and garri. My garri will still serve as my carbohydrate, and the fish will serve as my protein. Maybe in the evening I will still try. See, this weight loss journey, all of us see dey try to make sure say we dey on the right track. Weight loss journey is not an easy thing, but if you determine that you want to do it, it will be easy for you, and you will try to look for what works for you. What works for others might not work for you. What works for you might not work for others. So you just have to look for what works for you. And starving yourself will not help you. Yes, starving yourself will not help you. Eat, but eat moderately. Eat, but eat moderately. If it's possible for you, you can count your calories, or you can do food portion control. Because sometimes counting calories is not an easy thing. It might not be easy for some people, but you can still do food portion control. Portion control is still okay, very, very okay. See, in this journey of weight loss, your diet is the most important thing in this journey. Not just exercising. Exercise is 20%. Your diet is 80%. If your diet is not okay, the weight loss journey, it will be hard for you to lose that weight. Some people will just be on diet and they will still lose that weight. Right? Exercise helps you to be strong mentally, physically. For me, it helps me to be mentally, physically strong. And it helps you to tone your body, to get snatched. I don't know if I'm making sense. Guys, I dey here dey make mouth see that garri dey show himself. See, na me show myself pass o. See, I don level the garri. How many spoon I put that time? Right now 3 sef. 3 abi 4. So me sef, I no wan match line o. Not say today is my cheating day, but I will still respect myself. How many? 4, 5. This one na 5, 6. So guys, if you want to go on a diet, some people will tell you be eating salad. My sister, you go tire for salad. It's not that salad is not good, but if you put your diet on, I'm eating salad, salad will tire you, because you can't be eating salad every day. So that is just it. Yes, you can eat vegetables, fruits, all those things. Eat them every day, and don't cut out your favorite food, but eat them with portion. na only that one na go fit help you to last long. This fish I too roast am dry. When I can fish, so you go roast to Africa, you go dey see oil that time. One kind oil go come dey come out, like the fish go come dey do you come. If you go market, you wan go buy something, if you never buy that kind of fish, your body no go come down. I no be professional fish roaster sha. So guys, as we dey talk, try to put yourself for diet wey be say you go fit continue. That is what I'm trying to say. Maybe I not say am well, but that is what I'm trying to say. Put yourself on a diet that you can continue doing it, that you will not get tired of it. For me, salad is one of my best food, but it still dey tire me. Salad still dey tire me. There are some days I will not even just eat salad, but instead of that, I will still put my veggies with my food whether I want to eat, but not that I will just prepare salad after eating, because sometimes dey tire person, and sometimes dey depend on weather sef. If we dey winter now, salad not dey hungry me at all. I no know why. That is just me, because I feel the food is so cold. Salad na cold food, so sometimes I dey need warm food for winter. That is why I go just do my spinach or my salad. I'll put them on top of. I've done some videos like that in my previous videos. I'm sure you guys have seen that video. My breakfast, or sometime I'll do it at lunch, dinner time. I'll put salad on top of my bread, salad, tomato, and then I will eat the bread and the salad. Then I will take hot coffee or tea or green tea. Because of that hotness, I just want my body to be warm. That's winter time. That's what I'm saying. So that is why salad, you no fit keep on salad. Just put yourself on a diet that you can continue with. Because some people will tell you, if you say I want to lose weight, they'll say go dey eat salad. Only salad cannot help you. I did say salad is not good though. Salad is very, very good for weight loss and your diet, and it's very, very good for the body. But if you say you want to eat salad every day, you can't say you dey binge eat. So if you be person wey like pizza, eat your pizza, but eat it moderately. You know, say pizza they cut and angle. Just take one slice of pizza, eat. It's okay for you. Not be something you finish the carton because I say it because you like pizza. You finish the carton. No. Eat wisely. Eat moderately. Portion control, remember, is the key. If you can't do your portion control, count your calories. So this journey, if you not put am well, at the end, you go come tire. You go see, that is why you go see sometimes some people, they go lose weight, they will gain am back. They go lose weight, they will gain am back because of the way they start the journey. So that is why why I call they drink only this garri pass this. Pass it. My belly don full just now. So rice na our food. Rice, all this pounded yam, you can still eat them, but eat them wisely. Do your portion control, or you count your calories. If you know you want swallow, eat swallow. There are many options you can still use. Oatmeal, this coca oat, you go blend and turn am like eba, like pounded yam. Some people dey call am oatmeal fufu. You go turn am, use am eat your soup. Don't worry guys, maybe my next video I will prepare oatmeal fufu and soup to show you guys. Not that I'm a professional, I'm not a disclaimer, I'm not a nutritionist though. I'm just giving you my own little idea and the way I try to manage my own journey. So that's just it. For my journey, salad is very, very good, but don't put yourself on a strict diet of salad. That is the word I was looking for. Don't put yourself on a strict diet of salad, because you will get bored and tired of salad. Instead of salad, yes, eat your salad, then add other things that you know you like, but with portion control. Control your portion and control your calories. Even me, when I dey here, body no be firewood, how dey talk am, and we all are human. Sometimes we are just trying to stay on track so that we will not fall apart on this journey.
Life in a world that keeps changing. Think that it's progress you're making. Copy and paste pretty faces all the time. Pictures so perfect we play through, only cause you set up the angle. Web that you